Welcome to AI Hacks 2025, where we break down the most important and fascinating developments in artificial intelligence this month. If you want to know how AI is changing the world right now, you're in the right place. Let's kick things off with the biggest news from Google I/O 2025. Google has put AI at the heart of everything, unveiling a wave of new features and tools that are about to change how we live and work. The headline announcement is Gemini 2.5 Pro, Google's smartest AI yet. Gemini 2.5 Pro introduces DeepThink, a new reasoning mode designed to tackle complex mathematical and coding problems. This feature allows Gemini to consider multiple hypotheses before responding, bringing it closer to human-like logical reasoning. For developers and problem solvers, this is a game changer, but that's not all. Google also rolled out AI mode in search, now available to all users in the United States. With AI mode, you can interact with Google Search using Gemini, ask complex questions, and even generate charts for finance or sports queries. This marks a major leap in how we interact with information online, making search more conversational, visual, and intelligent than ever before. For creators, Google's new video generation model, VO3, is turning heads, can generate ultra-realistic videos complete with synchronized audio, sound effects, and even dialogue, all from a simple prompt.
Zeros and ones.
AI versus 100 animators. Who wins?
I do what I want.
Bro, is this even real laughter?
Some people claim that we live in a simulation.
Would you still love me if I was an NPC?
We are coming for you, Hollywood.
We are just random numbers. In the machine,
Are you real? I am.
Isn't simulation theory just God for nerds?
This means you can create entire video stories with visuals and sound just by describing what you want. Google also showcased Flow, a new AI filmmaking app that leverages VO3, making advanced video creation accessible to everyone, from YouTubers to filmmakers. Music lovers, take note, Google's Lyria 2 model is making AI-powered music composition easier than ever. At I/O, they demonstrated how musicians can create entire tracks with AI, even without deep technical knowledge. This democratizes music production and opens new creative possibilities for artists everywhere. Another highlight is Google's push into agentic AI. Features like agentic checkout let you shop online with a virtual assistant that handles everything from tracking price drops to selecting your size and completing your purchase. This is the future of seamless AI-powered e-commerce. Moving beyond Google, let's talk about the global AI race. Meta has released a colossal 2 trillion parameter version of its Llama language model, setting a new benchmark in natural language processing. This model is designed to power everything from smarter assistants to advanced content creation tools. And it's a clear signal that Meta is doubling down on AI investment, with $65 billion allocated for new data centers and research this year alone. OpenAI isn't standing still either. Earlier this year, they launched GPT 4.5, focusing on enhanced emotional intelligence and more intuitive, human-like conversations. OpenAI's O3 mini model, released in January, is optimized for fast, efficient reasoning, making it ideal for both consumer and enterprise applications. OpenAI's partnership with U.S. national laboratories also highlights how AI is being used for national security and advanced scientific research. Catch up on these industry-shaking moves here. This month, Microsoft, Meta, and China shock. Speaking of science, AI is now accelerating breakthroughs in fields like drug discovery, sustainable materials, and climate research. Microsoft's AI-driven protein simulation system is helping researchers design new drugs with unprecedented speed, and the trend is clear. AI is becoming an essential tool for solving some of humanity's toughest problems. But it's not just software. The hardware powering AI is evolving fast. NVIDIA recently unveiled DreamGen, a platform designed to scale robot learning and adaptability. Apple is investing $500 billion in US AI initiatives, including a new AI server factory in Texas. Meanwhile, new AI chips and custom silicon are fueling the next generation of smart devices and cloud services. See the latest in AI hardware and funding, AI news and funding updates. Let's not forget the impact of AI on jobs and industry. In 2025, AI-powered robots are replacing human workers in warehouses, customer service, and even fast food chains. These robots are smarter, faster, and able to adapt to new tasks on the fly. While this brings efficiency and cost savings, it also raises important questions about the future of work and the skills we'll need in an AI-driven world. For a look at the rise of AI workers, robots replacing humans, meet the new AI workers of 2025. Finally, let's talk about the big picture. The 2025 AI Index report shows that AI's influence on society, the economy, and global governance is intensifying. Governments and enterprises are investing heavily in AI infrastructure, ethical toolkits, and responsible AI initiatives. The race for frontier models, AI systems that can reason, create, and interact across text, images, and video, is heating up between the US, China, and Europe. In summary, the AI industry in 2025 is moving faster than ever. From Google's Gemini 2.5 Pro and VO3 to Meta's Llama, OpenAI's GPT 4.5, and the rise of AI-powered robots, we're witnessing a technological revolution that's reshaping every corner of our lives. Whether you're a creator, a business leader, or just curious about the future, now is the time to pay attention. If you enjoyed this roundup, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share for more AI hacks and updates. Stay tuned, because the future of AI is just getting started. Thanks for watching.